Hello traders. So before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so I am on the MQL5 Marketplace page right now for the Algo Gold EA, and this is priced at 190 US dollars, developed by Stuart James Winter with version 1.0 and 10 activations available. From what I can see here, this is an expert advisor built specifically for MT4, so it's designed to run on the MetaTrader 4 platform. The developer describes it as a low risk scalping EA, all right, mainly focused on minimizing drawdown while trying to maintain more controlled, consistent trading behavior. It's also built to automatically stop trading once a set profit target is reached, which is interesting because it basically pauses activity so traders can lock in profits or make adjustments before restarting the cycle again. Now, moving into the setup recommendations, the EA is mainly optimized for XAUUSD, which is gold, and it is important, or rather it is suggested, to run it on the H4 time frame. All right, so there's also emphasis on using a VPS and enabling auto trading in MT4 so the system runs without interruptions. Another key point here is the parameter customization based on account size. So for example, smaller accounts use smaller lot values, and as the account balance increases, the lot size and equity targets are adjusted proportionally. This is basically to keep risk structured across different account sizes. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I am going to go through the historical results on the charts. What I'm going to be looking out for is how the EA behaves during different market phases, especially how it manages entries and exits over time in the scalping environment. So let's head over to our strategy tester right now. We're going to be testing the Algo Gold EA on the recommended asset, which is gold, and on the recommended time frame H4. Of course, we are using the H4 model, the every tick model, and we are running the test over the past month. Okay, so here we have the results. The initial deposit was $50,000 and a total net profit of negative $700.79 was realized. And we can see that 2,070 trades we are taking. The short positions were 1,013 with 99.9% win rate. The long positions were 1,057 with 94.42% win rate. Now, one thing that quickly catches my attention right here is that despite the amazingly high win rate, why do we still have a negative total net profit? Now, that brings us to risk to reward ratio. Let us get to the profit section and the losses, right? You can see largest profit was $89.56. The largest loss was $351.03. See the difference. Average profit was $2.35. Average loss was $90.38. You can see the difference. Despite the amazingly high win rate, the very, very poor risk to reward ratio led to a negative net profit. So it is not enough to have a high win rate. Risk to reward ratio is a very, very important aspect of trading. All right, so that's one of my observations with this system. Okay, now from a broader perspective, this kind of testing helps us understand consistency. All right, but it is still important to remember that these are historical results only, and they can vary depending on broker conditions, spreads, and settings. Meanwhile, let us just briefly see the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode, and settings remain the same. Just click on start. I want us to see the EA in action, okay, just for a moment. All right, so we can see how the EA is stacking trades. So we can see that this is the type of EA to stack trades. All right, and we can also see the this dashboard that is appearing here, as the EA executes trades, and as it does its thing, we can see showing running profit or running loss, and you can see all these information here: the time, last spread, account balance, the account equity, the free margin, the cycle profit, the start equity, the open buys, open sales, current profit, the daily trades, and all these things. All right, these are important information being displayed here as the EA looks for opportunities in the market and execute trades accordingly. Okay, so having over 2,000 trades in a month, of course, shows that this is really a very much scalping system. All right, even though every month might not necessarily have exactly the same number of trades, because of different market conditions and all of that. But this just shows that the EA is a high frequency scalper, right? It's a high frequency trading EA. And traders who are not fans of high frequency trading might not exactly find this EA suitable for their risk tolerance. Okay, so your risk appetite should also determine the type of EA that you'll be interested in. Meanwhile, if you are interested in this EA, I'm going to recommend that you test it over a longer period of time, and across maybe over a year or 2 years or even more. All right, so that you can be able to capture a wider range of market conditions. You can be able to get more comprehensive results, be able to capture more market data for the back testing. Okay, and it's also important for you to remember that these are just historical results. Okay, the back tested results are just historical results, and they can vary depending on the conditions of your broker, the spreads, the prevailing market conditions at the time, and even the settings that you are using for the EA. Okay, but overall, this EA looks more focused on controlled cycle based trading rather than continuous exposure, which is why that profit target stop feature is quite important in its structure. Okay, we had already looked at the description of the EA. We have looked at some of the features and parameters of the EA here on the marketplace page. All right, so it's important to take note of some of those features of the EA even when making use of it. All right, as always, I'll recommend running longer term testing yourself and experimenting with the settings. All right, don't forget to experiment with the settings before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.